The DynaVibe hardware kit, it's a small tool kit that includes all the aircraft hardware that we need for balancing. It's got the AN 960, 970 washers. It's got longer screws for the spinner, reflective tape that we're going to need to put on the propeller. So it's really everything we need in order to add weight to the spinner to get that vibration as low as possible. The GX3 is going to give us weight solutions to 0.1 grams. So by simply reading off the table, we can get the correct weight and install it on the aircraft spinner very quickly without taking a lot of time. It's a great time saver.